penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with another Dollar Tree DIY, this beautiful perfume bottle. Now I know I've brought you a gold one before, so for all my silver lovers, this one is especially for you. If you want to see how I put it all together, just keep on watching. Now here are the items that you'll need for this DIY. First, I'm using this lid, and this basically came off of a lotion set that I got over Christmas, I think from Bath & Body. It was a shea butter set, and I just decided to keep it because I knew I'd use it one day for something. Secondly, I'm using this mirror from the Dollar Tree. I'll be removing this rim from around it because I only need the mirror. I'm also using my beautiful Bling Wrap from Totally Dazzled. I'm using this silver bowl. This is also from the Dollar Tree. Some napkin rings, also from the Dollar Tree. And I'll only be using one of these napkin rings. Now, you've seen me use this in the past. These are mirror tiles from the Dollarama. I've had them for a while, but I'll leave a link below for you. That way you can check it out on Amazon. I'll also be using some Fix All glue, also from the Dollar Tree, as well as my handy dandy hot glue gun and some scissors. Now the first thing we're going to do is to wrap our box with the mirror tiles, and I've already gone ahead and measured them to fit the box. Now if you don't have the mirror tiles, feel free to use the Bling Wrap to wrap the entire box. Now the mirror tiles are self-adhesive and they come with a film on the back of it. I'm just going to peel that away carefully. And as you can see, it is sticky, but because I want a firm hold, a long-lasting hold, I'm using the Fix All glue all over it, after which I will use my hot glue gun for an immediate hold. Now that we've generously added our glue, I am just going to carefully add it to the side and see it flipped over right there. So be careful, guys, when you're doing this. I found out afterwards that if I just set the box on the bottom and just apply it from the side, that it's easier for me. I hope that makes sense. So there we are. We have our first piece down. I will go ahead and work my way all around, and then I will come back and show you what that looks like. And here it is, you guys. I've worked my way around. Absolutely gorgeous. It's already coming together nicely. As you can see, the bottom of the box is exposed, so I'm going to use my Totally Dazzled Bling Wrap to cover that. You can use a second mirror if you choose to do so, but I only have one, so the Bling Wrap will do for now. Okay, so here we are. I have applied all the Bling Wrap, but I have some raw edges. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an additional piece to put all the way around the edge just to cover those imperfections. Now I will also be using more Bling Wrap in single strips to cover those areas where I joined the mirrors, just so we do not have any gaps. Already measured and cut them in single strips, so I'll just be adhering them using the hot glue gun. And this is what it looks like after adding the single strips and covering the base to protect the edges. Now let's move on. And now we're ready to add our mirror. As I stated earlier, I'll be removing it from the frame as I do not need that border. So just be careful taking it out here, guys, because these mirrors are really thin. So for this next step, I will be adding the glue directly to the base itself. I will not be putting it on the mirror. Neither will I use any hot glue here because sometimes it will cause some lumping when it dries, and I want to make sure that it is as flat as possible. Now guys, this can get messy, so just take your time. There is no rush because you want to make sure that your project is as neat as possible. Now this is what it looks like after leaving the mirror to dry for about 30 minutes. And now I'm introducing a little bit of rhinestone. I'm going to put them on the top all the way around, again, just to make the project a little bit neater. Okay guys, we're almost at the end. I'll be using the small silver bowl along with one of the napkin rings to make the cover for the perfume bottle. But before doing so, I will be using single strands of the Bling Wrap just on the 4 corners of it. And just like magic, the cover is all ready to go. Absolutely gorgeous. And the way I'll be attaching it is to sit the perfume bottle upright and using my hot glue gun to place it on the very top. After looking at it over and over, I've decided to add this beautiful brooch from Totally Dazzled. I've already removed the clasp from the back using my scissors, and I'm just going to use my hot glue gun to attach it to the very center just to add some extra embellishments. And here we are, guys. It is done and it is absolutely gorgeous. If you ask me, it also looks like an engagement ring. Okay. If you notice, I've also went ahead and added some more rhinestones just around the perimeter of the brooch to give it that extra pizzazz. And I also added some of the Bling Wrap to the neck of the bottle. Now let's go ahead and style it. And here it is, guys. It turned out absolutely gorgeous. Look at it. Now it's sitting on a tray that's another Dollar Tree DIY. I'll leave a link for you below to check that out. But look what I did with the top. Okay, I added some ice. Just in case you're seeing it as an engagement ring, it has everything. Look at that. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's glam. It's over the top. It's totally me. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, now I went ahead and added some faux flowers in red, which is absolutely gorgeous. It just picked it up and brought it all together. I'm just really loving this. Guys, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think of this DIY. I am absolutely loving it. Now this is a versatile piece. You can use it anywhere in your home, in your bathroom, in your beauty room. You can also gift it. Now Mother's Day is coming up and this would make a great Mother's Day gift. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time seeing my channel, I'd love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below as well as the notification bell so you are the first to know when I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. This is your glamorous Penny Pincher Shalom is saying bye-bye.